How's it going? My name is Aguilar, and in this video, we're going to be learning a brand new move called the slide step. Without further ado, que comience la fiesta! Alright, me hit straight into it. Let's start out with Somotuno. Here we go. 5, 6, Somotuno. Y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Una más. Y 1, 2, 3. Slide step. So let's do the first half of Somotuno. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. Now for the second half, with the right foot, we're going to step back on 5. Push out that left leg on 6. And then slide that right foot on 7 to have your feet together. And then basic with the left leg on 1, 2, 3. Y 5, 6, 7. All right, let's try again. Haz eso. 2, 3. Here we go. Slide step. Y 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Y 1, 2, 3. Allí nada más. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm if you haven't done so already. This helps me and the channel tremendously so we can reach out to others and share the love of dance. Muchas gracias, and back to the video. Alright guys, so the main thing for this move is honestly, where is your weight going to be distributed? So if I'm doing it nice and slow, I go Somotuno, 2, 3, slide step. Here on 5, I want to make sure that weight goes to my right foot. And now on 6, I'm going to push up with the same right foot, but look at my left leg here. It's catching up and I'm shifting the weight to that left leg so that my right foot can slide up like so on that 7, and then I put that weight in the right foot so that my left leg is free to go forward on that 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. All right, so those are the main things. So making sure you're always switching the weight. All right, so let's try this in halftime with music, and then we'll do it at full speed. All right, here we go. 5, 6, Somotuno. 1, 2, slide step. Y 5, 6, 7. Otra vez. 1, 2, slide step. 5, 6, 7. Y 1, 2, 3. Double time. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Slide step. Y 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. Again. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. Allí nada más. Alright, mi gente, this will conclude our lesson for today. Thank you so much for joining us. We truly appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe for more educational, fun, entertaining videos, and check out this cool playlist of all the previous moves that we learned. Muchas gracias. My name is Aguilar. This is Timba Heat Dance Company. Keep dancing, my friends. Y hasta la próxima. Yes, mamas.